Marco, Proxima Investors here. I want to make a little announcement, but I've got my two trainees here with me, my two little twin investors, Miles and Haven. I think I'm going to let them make the announcement. What are we announcing, kids?
We're having an open house in Hadley, Massachusetts.
Yeah, and when are we having it?
I don't know.
12 to 2
Yeah, but when?
p.m.
Sunday, this coming Sunday, 12th
I thought it was
of
on
January. No, it's on Sunday. And do you know the address?
No.
Okay, I'll say it. It's 22 Mount Warner Road in Hadley, Massachusetts, 01035 for the GPS. And what are we going to do at the open house?
We don't know.
We're showing people the
Yes,
house.
that's right. Perfect. And maybe we're going to have some, how about donuts? Yeah.
I want chocolate.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, they should be donuts. So if you want to show up and have a donut, you're welcome to do so. 22 Mount Warner Road, Sunday, January 12th, from 12 to 2. And if you want to know more, see more videos, an announcement, and news and info, remember to subscribe, maybe like, and comments are also welcome, especially if it's good stuff. So till next time, bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.